Auto adia defoda, unya asem so adefode, mpinfo asem a omokan. Laptop we na mama tias ye. Beto free sell labio GG. Now the pricing is too good to be real for an i5 10th gen 8 gig RAM and 256 gigabyte SSD laptop. The bar fi laptop you boy kama me use ma manage. Endra me se me could be laptop use a laptop you kon ebu aka me nsemi. Na me dwen se bia wa wonim dada se me ho eden te se Samsung nti. E bia ma ho eden na me de ebu no. Mingo bi so nhwa say the glue na chechere ne kon no. E na me pa de yi glue ni free ne kon no. And although say I wasn't happy about it, but I also knew say it's not a big problem for me. Me baby yesu wie na me hu ne live en kale de say sa hinges ni mienu nyina ye de glue ene de asoso atata screen ne nti bibi boot na wo bibi ami bedi hu dwuma no me ha me hu bi other side because on my head and then adechi na makwakoto glue bibo am mix glue ni wo any sandpaper but be make surfaces ne rough. All those JB rod na very good for this kind of fixes. The minya insu yo okay me use in side. And I'm not stressing about it because the best fix and kasankasa ne se be change back house and as a full body ni na Ghana had no more than so be house and unless so be order or online. And so I take time do it way a temporary fix am dey na me twi hinges no ho kakra na surface ni so am dey hinge ne better ne so the twitwi horn mo kakra my horn na rough sa no net mi atali na ma mix glue no apply wo bibia ebuye no na glue we no so unya mix ya wo 5 minutes odi bedi dwuma odi gi enye sa after 5 minutes na ebe den ama untimi sanso use bio inti dia aye ne de ntimbo na aka etete abona na ma make sure say acha by 5 minutes there or say me make sure say me dey hinge nesi so na dey aye dey me clean corners ne kakra yes aye too dirty work and so dey challenge me ninja na ma cream kakra ma na aye den na me yi me say free so na ye den ni wie so anye no no yi na nkasa dey ye dwuma finally like 1 hour later but aye den na no nche say aye denti sha se ne chinchim ne kon de bi ensa be say no yeah me ba no na ma think to abole no me yi me nsa no me je si hon mama wana na so abro isi ade aka ne say me ka hinge na to so boko na ma close no aka ka bia to mu back to original position na sisi am the TV ni cable na she me wi aka se me the face panel and the back no better so me no anu me wi the mamu use TM1 no TM1 for the multi face problem we pa the ubetimi I use we as temporary fix now I order be free online like back panel no I order be free online and they are fixing the yankasa and na me san so to we no dey bedra me san back panel so me san so aye another video amount we more den se konkoma fu ejan but there is a temporary fix enim trim say it is going to last forever. And then I may order back panel and be free online. Now me be fix. 2 weeks later, me making sure say me another video. I review on how it is going. Say I go and I say still mood as we den. So video show we new digital. Come out in the comment section as well.